Christine Kaufman here with our intro to the digestive system. Christine, what you got?
The digestive system.
Not much.
Come on, give us some. Where does food start?
In the mouth.
And what?
Mastication.
Oh, what is that?
Mastication is the beginning of the mechanical process of digestion. Around the age of 6, you get your permanent teeth. The permanent dentition consists of 32 teeth, including your wisdom teeth and your third molars. Chewing breaks the food into pieces that are more easily digestive, while saliva mixes with food to begin the process of breaking it down into a form your body can absorb and use. Is that slow now?
Yeah. So after mastication, you swallow food, and it's turned into bolus after mastication. So the swallowing process is pretty long. It's essentially your tongue pushing food to the back of your throat, where striated muscles take over, and it enters the pharynx. The epiglottis flap opens so that food will go down into your well, actually, it closes so that food will go down into your stomach instead of air going into your lungs, because if not, you choke on food all the time. And then it goes into the esophagus. This works. There's striated muscle that contracts and relaxes, so as the chyme goes down the passageway, the esophagus muscles push it down, like so, to the stomach. So once the bolus gets done at the end of the esophagus, it goes down to our stomach, which is right here. And once it enters the stomach, true chemical digestion starts with the stomach acid and the enzymes there. And after it can take up to 3 days for food to be fully digested, but after about 24 to 36 hours, food starts moving from the stomach to the duodenum and the small intestine.
Okay, this is the liver. The liver is the largest gland in the body. It has 4 lobes. The function of the liver is to produce bile. And bile is a yellow-green alkaline solution that contains bile salts, pigments, neutral fats, phospholipids, and a variety of electrolytes. This is the gallbladder. The gallbladder stores and concentrates bile that is not needed immediately for digestion. Bile does not usually enter the small intestines until the gallbladder contracts. And then this is the pancreas. The pancreas helps to move glucose from the blood into the cells of the body so that the cells can use glucose as an energy source. Pancreatic juice consists mainly of water and contains enzymes that break down all categories of food and electrolytes.
So, right here you have the stomach and the intestines, and food from the stomach enters the 20-foot long tube called the small intestine at the duodenum as chyme. The liver, located right above the duodenum, feeds bile into the small intestine, which helps lubricate the chyme and further breaks it down into lipids, mono and polysaccharides, and also amino acids. Chyme then enters the duodenum, where small hair-like structures called villi that line the small intestine will absorb these nutrients and give the body the energy it needs to survive. The chyme finally enters the ileum and gets pushed into this large intestine. Throughout the process, the gallbladder picks up excess bile and stores it until the body has need for it. So this here is the large intestine. The difference between large intestine and small intestine is it does not contain villi, so it doesn't absorb nutrients, but all it does is it dries out the chyme and makes feces. So once it goes all the way through the small intestine, it goes into the large intestine through the cecum, straight up the ascending colon, across the transverse colon, and down the descending colon, through the sigmoid colon, down through the anal cavity, through the rectum, and pops through the anus.